man.
Here, let's take care of this real business first. Photos by Deb. Says here, take care. You look like you need it.
Oh, man, that's a good night.
That fire suit's finally paying off, huh?
That's the first time I got to wear it anywhere.
Oh, you look good.
That's good. We've been trying to get the car working, and we got our opportunity tonight to show what it's worth.
Hey, somebody open this thing. Somebody open this thing for Chris. Open this thing for me.
My hands are full, and I'm shaking.
You were fighting your way around out there. I know you knew those guys were closing in when you saw Tony tell you, look, you're running up on lap traffic, so I know you knew they were coming.
Man, I was just trying to be safe and, make sure nothing gets tore up, make sure everything went home okay.
So what'd you do different tonight than you normally do? Because obviously, you guys are doing something different. Was it the racetrack?
A little bit of it was my tuxedo, and this track was great tonight, and I appreciate all the fans for coming out here tonight.
Well, let's find. I tell you what, let's do. We got two pieces of business to take care of. We got to get the trophy away, and whoever has the 05 flag of Dustin Woods, make your way down to the front because we've got something for you as well. Ladies and gentlemen, taking home the checkered flag, your race winner tonight of the Hoosier Tire Southwest A-Main on stop number 3 of the Sprint Series of Texas, out of 40 Texas, the Woods Transmission, Hughes & Sons, Russell Shoulder, car number 05. That's Mr. Dustin Woods.
Man.
You worn out? Are you worn out?
Not too bad. I had a good time out there.
Well, I ask you this all year long. So, did you finally feed this dadgum thing some chicken?
Yes, we did.
It paid off, didn't it?
Yeah, it likes chicken. I do too.
Well, these fans do too, because we've been giving away Babe's Chicken Dinner House stuff all night long, race fans. You guys that are in the stands, I know there's a bunch of happy little ladies right up here. They've all got wave your Babe's hats up there if you got them. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Mike Herring out of Flower Mound, Texas, driving the Old Air product, Babe's Chicken Dinner House, car number 90. And I know you've been fighting to get up here in this top 3 for the first 3 races of the season. So, was it the track? Was it just what's going on inside there?
It is my kind of track. When it gets real slick like that, I just seem to shine a little better, and I like it. And it doesn't seem to get me as tired.
What, did it just clean up at the end of the race? Because I know you picked them off pretty solid there at the first of the race. It looked like we kind of come to a little idle once we got cautions, and then once the car got going after that last caution, you was dangerous then. You made a real good run on the last couple of laps.
I had a ball. It was great.
You're worn out. Get some chicken, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Mike Herring. He's going, hey! How about this guy, Mr. Danny Merrill? Are you worn out? You worn out too?
I was trying to make it wide.
He's trying to make it 3 wide all the way around it, wasn't you?
Trying to make it 3 wide with one car.
That's right. So you knew there was some heat coming, right?
Yeah, I knew it was coming.
It was a good racetrack, though.
Yeah,
you guys put on a
pretty good racetrack. My car would get a hold of the track about halfway down the straightaway. I knew that wouldn't work.
Well, maybe this guy's a New York girl that jewelry will give you a big old gold ring for winning, for bringing home the top 3 of these things anyway, right?
They need to give me something, maybe a new tire.
Or some Gatorade or something, right? Yeah. Out of Springtown, Texas, driving the All Imports Auto Parts New York Golden Jewelry, car number 41, Mr. Danny Merrill. He's going to be back here signing autographs, giving T-shirts away to race fans. Don't forget, you can come sit inside these race cars. You can meet these guys that are going to give autographs away. Here we go. Is this our flag winner?
Yeah, was this a 05 flag?
He's the trophy.
Oh, this is the trophy winner. All right.
What about the girl with the 05 or the kid with the 05 flag? Who had the 05 checkered flag?
Yes, who had the 05 checkered flag?
How about the number 90 flag? Who had the number 90 flag? Or the 41 flag? Anybody? There's the 41 flag right here, Danny.
Hey, man, don't let her run off yet. Don't let her run off yet. Hey, what's your name?
Sure is. Madison.
What, Madison? Well, I'm going to say who's your favorite sprint car driver?
Dustin Woods.
Dustin Woods.
That's right. That's right. How about that? Congratulations. Come on now. All right, big guy.